Today I will give one review of our wheel alignment DLW3000. First we have to go to the application. After opening the application, we will get the interference like this. We will get wheel alignment, historical data, parameter setting, camera diagnosis. So mostly customer can use wheel alignment, historical data and camera diagnosis. Parameter setting we already set it for the customer. So if you go to the wheel alignment, you will do the wheel alignment for the car. But then when you done the wheel alignment, so there will be one report generated by the system, and that report will be saved in historical data. After, when we are trying to do the wheel alignment, we are putting the target plates to the car wheel. First step, we have to come to the camera diagnosis to check either our wheel alignment target plate are installed perfectly or not. If you did not install it perfectly, so you will get here the target plate disk did not found or network disconnected, or you will not get the clear image here. So when you get the clear image and the network is connected, target disk found, so then you can proceed with the wheel alignment. After, you have to come to the wheel alignment, then you have to search the car, brand, we have Toyota, then you have to search for the model, we have RAV4, then you have to select the year, we have 2024, then we can go for wheel alignment. So first we will push the car backward at 20 degree. It will say stop, then we will stop the car. After, it will say push the car forward, which we need to make it 0 degree. After our wheel alignment is done, we will get the front wheel data, we will get the rear wheel data. We have kingpin measurement also for the steering. So first we will rotate the steering to the left, then we will rotate steering to the right, then we will keep it in the middle. So we will also get the caster data. So then we have to adjust the camber, caster. Then now, like this one I will give it as an example, because we did not push the car backward and forward, so we did not get the value. Just now I am showing as an example. Now I get the rear wheel data, which having camber, toy. If I go to the next stage, so I will get the front wheel data also, which is camber, toy and total toy. If I go to the next, after making the alignment of the car, then we can go to next. So we will get this report, which it will show the before adjustment and after adjustment, and you can put the customer details also here, like license plate, customer name, address and everything. Then you can save it also here. So in future, if you need that data, you can simply go to home and you can get it from here. So the all data will be saved here. So this is the basic review of our DaTo wheel alignment 3000.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipments,